fine. Then you will see where we covered industries eligible for PMP. Every profession that requires you to manage a lot of people, budgeting, and huge projects in general, and requires negotiation skills and planning skills will is eligible for a PMP. This can go for construction and civil engineering, where you will get a salary of about 18 to 45 lakhs per annum. Here you can be a site project manager, a project director, or an infra head. You can also, if you are in mechanical engineering, you can go for project manager, plant head, or ops director. Here you can get a salary of 16 to 42 lakhs per annum. In pharma and healthcare industry, you can be a clinical project manager, or you can be an R&D head or hospital project manager with a salary of 18 to 40 lakhs per annum. Then you can be an operations project manager and supply chain head in manufacturing and ops with a salary of about 15 to 38 lakhs per annum. In oil, gas, and energy industries, you can be a project director, a field project manager, or an EPC, or go for EPC roles, in which you can earn about 22 to 55 lakhs per annum. In defense and government, you can be a program manager or policy project management roles, which can be about 20 to 45 lakhs per annum. Then you can go for banking and finance or BFSI industry, where you will be an operations project manager or a transformation project manager. Here you can earn up to 20 to 50 lakhs per annum. In telecom and networking industry, you can be an infrastructure project manager and a rollout manager and earn up to 18 to 42 lakhs per annum. Now we'll cover PMP for mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineers are already very manage multi-team complex projects daily, and PMP is highly respected and valued, and a formal recognition is something that is something you should get if you're already handling these multi-team projects daily. Why PMP transformed this career or mechanical engineers is because machine designs and plant upgrades, they all have scope of time and cost and other such budgeting dimensions. Other than that, PMP gives us a structured risk management for equipment failure and cost overruns. It also opens transitioning from engineer to engineering project manager or being a PMO lead. It also has multinational manufacturing firms, and they all mostly mandate PMP for senior project roles. So it is kind of a compulsory certificate which you should get. The salary and career roles in mechanical engineering for PMP professional is basically mechanical project manager, which is 16 to 32 lakhs per annum. A plant operations project manager, which is 18 to 38 lakhs per annum. Then there is manufacturing PMO lead, which is 30 to 48 lakhs per annum. And engineering director, which is 40 to 60 lakhs per annum.